Guys, welcome back to my channel, Moni's Kitchen and Lifestyle. So today we are going to prepare a very simple detoxifier using very affordable and available ingredients. We just need a carrot, ginger, cucumber or cucumber, and a mango, just that. And let's get started. So you peel the mango. Cut into pieces. So put the mango in the blender. Slice the cucumber. So add the cucumbers to the blender. Now the carrots. Peel your carrot. Slice your carrots too. Put the carrots in the blender, like so. Then our ginger. I like ginger so much, so ndio maana nimeweka mingi. Put it in the blender too. Yes. Now you add the amount of water you would wish. Mine, I will add just 2 glasses of water. So now let's blend like so. Let's see how it goes. Wow, look at that, guys. So it is ready now, and there are those who like it with these particles, like they like drinking it with these particles. So some like it like this. Like so. It's good. Then there are those who like it sieved. So we can sieve. Okay, next time I'll buy a big sieve. Oh my god. But it's working, it's working. I like it like this, you see? Like this. In less than a month, uta lose weight, belly fat, that is. So guys, try this remedy. And let me know what you think about this in the comment section, please. So guys, this is what we got from our mixture. Look at it. So let's save it again. This is worth it. Trust me, guys. You should all try this. It's 100%. So guys, this is what we got. Look at that. It's worth it, guys. So let me taste. Yes, it's so good. So you can either take it while it's like this or like this. Some prefer this, others this, but for me, I go with this. Yes, that marks the end of our video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.